Via Softtech, leading logistics app development company. Are you looking for the best on-demand logistics app development company? Here we are. The core strengths of VR Softtech include superior logistics app development services delivered at the reasonable cost. Apps designed by us have a captivating UI, high performance backend, and a 24-hour support system to assist when you need it. Our logistics app development solutions are packed with excellent features such as real-time fleet tracking, in-app chatting, real-time analytics to keep you informed about your business progress, and a logistics management dashboard to let you handle all your logistics related issues from a single control panel. Schedule a meeting with VR Software today to get your logistics mobile app developed by experts. Stay in touch with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss out on any update.